Welcome back to Atlas Unlimited and our 14-day road trip across Japan. Last time we visited the Atomic Bomb Memorial in downtown Hiroshima. Today we're exploring Hiroshima Castle before we head for the open road. So let's get started with a 3D render that took me way too long to figure out. And one thing you'll notice right off the bat is it's not situated on the top of a hill like other castles. It's actually situated in the middle of a delta. This was designed in the 1500s to act like a natural moat. Go ahead and do a little pose in front of the camera.
Okay.
Do like a little curtsy.
Oh, heck
yeah,
no.
that's quirky. Do a curtsy.
Curtsy?
There you go. That's the curtsy.
Yeah, that's what you were looking for. Oh, I'm not gonna curtsy with pants.
The exterior of the castle is immaculately preserved, but it's clear once you step inside that it's hiding a secret.
We're at the Hiroshima Castle, and it's kind of funny because when we first arrived, this is not what I really expected, because it's like this old, beautiful castle on the outside, and then you come inside and it's like this educational learning center. It has all these little areas where you can learn about samurais, and you can see like recreations of like their tiny little houses that are super fun.
During the Edo period, you could find samurai houses, residences, schools, and government offices all housed safely behind the walls of Hiroshima Castle. But after the nuclear blast and subsequent reconstruction, the castle was turned into a museum. Each floor a portal to Hiroshima's past.
You see these chairs a lot now in tiny homes because it's like trying to maximize efficiency of storage. The Japanese are the master organizers, let's be honest. We're just now catching up with like, oh, what? You can put storage under the stairs?
Stairs? On every step, the shelf?
What? Yeah, I mean, they did have closets under them, but not like, yeah, not like this. Oh, that's cool. It's very intricate. I feel like that would affect your peripheral vision. It's pretty heavy.
You put it on?
Oh my word. Oh. How do I look? Fashionable?
No,
cool.
give me your best samurai face. Let's go.
My
samurai
best
face.
Samurai face?
Yeah.
Or just like completely expressionless.
Yes, there you go.
Neat.
That's cool.
Do you feel the power, Kim, coursing inside your veins?
That is actually really light. Holy cow.
Isn't that cool? Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's incredible. Finally, we round the corner to the top and get a spectacular view of Hiroshima City. We've been on a lot of stairs in our various vacations.
Yeah, I'm sure you've seen
it. Were these stairs worth it?
These stairs were more worth it than the last ones. There's a bench.
PTSD flashbacks.
On your left, you have a photographer.
Just kidding. Dude, that's me. My dream.
Yeah.
Not just to be a photographer, be a Japanese photographer.
Japanese photographer. Or just to be Japanese.
Yeah,
that's really what you actually want.
It's been an absolute blast exploring Hiroshima. But now it's time to head back to the car and head for the open road. But not before snapping one last picture. Next up on Atlas Unlimited, we're heading to one of Japan's most secluded cave systems, in search of relatively decent low-light VR footage. Thanks again to DOVR, and please consider joining my Patreon. Exclusive VR videos are coming up soon. See you along the road.